Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the all new Vivo V21 versus the Realme 8 Pro. And guys, and the new Realme 8 Pro is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with the 8GB of RAM, while on the new Vivo V21 we have a MediaTek Dimensity 800 chipset with the 11GB of RAM. On the back we have a quad cameras on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Vivo V21 we have a triple cameras on the back. On the back we have a 108 megapixel main camera, yes, on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Vivo V21 we have a 64 megapixel main camera. We also have optical image stabilization on the Vivo V21. So in this video I'm going to show you how much difference between these two devices when it comes to apps opening speed as well as in the boot up test. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, on both phones is completely off. Now let's see the boot up test between these two devices. Here we go, and the logo is here more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Vivo V21. And guys, on both phones is running on Android 11. We have a FunTouch OS version 11.1, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a Realme UI 2.0. And you can see, and the Vivo V21 it is more faster when it comes to booting up, while the Realme 8 Pro now it is also done. And you can see about 2 or 4 second difference between these two devices. And guys, you can see that and both phones has a very different display. We have a Full HD AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate on the Vivo V21, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a Full HD Super AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate. Yes, we have 60Hz on the Realme 8 Pro, and also we get a punch hole on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Vivo V21 we have a U-shaped notch. So first let me go to the settings on both phones. Let me show you the refresh rate, and we have 90Hz refresh rate on the Vivo V21, while on the Realme 8 Pro we does not have any high refresh rate display, and that's a very disappointing thing. And guys, everything is closed up in the background. No app is running in the background, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is little bit more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Vivo V21. Animation feels really fast on the Realme 8 Pro, and that is why this phone it is more faster there. Next on the list is the settings, again more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the Vivo V21. Again we have Android 11 on both phones. We have 11GB of RAM on the Vivo V21, and you can see we have a 3GB of RAM, which is a extended RAM. Now let's check out some more application. Now let's see Amazon shopping. Again we have a Dimensity 800 chipset, more faster there on the Vivo V21, and you can see half a second difference there. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is feels really smooth on the Vivo V21 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. Again we have 90Hz as compared to 60Hz. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's start off with the Candy Crush Saga. Again we have a Snapdragon 720G versus a Dimensity 800, and you can see a little bit more faster on the Vivo V21 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. Instagram exactly the same. Let's see Snapchat, exactly the same. Let's see Spotify, again exactly the same. Let's see Pinout, and that is a little bit more faster on the Realme 8 Pro if I'm not wrong. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Let's see Subway Surfer, and again more faster on the Vivo V21, and you can see more faster there, while on the Realme 8 Pro it is also right behind there, about 1 or 2 second difference there. Now let's see Temple Run 2, and more faster on the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see as compared to the Vivo V21, and that's a very interesting result. And at the end Realme is little bit more faster as compared to the Vivo V21. Now let's see PUBG Mobile. Now let's see that which one it is more fast there, and you can see in the Vivo V21 it is more faster there in game map loading time, like in heavy application. You can see Vivo V21 it is completely done, and the Realme 8 Pro now it is also done, about a 2 or 4 second difference there. Now let's opening up the router. Faster on the Vivo V21. Zedge more faster I think on the Realme 8 Pro, about half a second difference there. Now let's open this. Again exactly the same. So last I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. That is more faster, I would say exactly the same on both phones. In the start, Realme 8 Pro faster there. And guys, now let's see internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Now let's see Wikipedia. Let it move faster on the Vivo V21. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is, I would say exactly the same on both phones. Again, we have some issue on the Vivo V21 in this application. Especially I cannot see the 90 Hz refresh rate matters on the Vivo V21 in this application especially. And next on the list is the Samsung.com. And that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. So now let's see the scrolling. Again exactly the same. Again we have 60 Hz refresh rate in this application only. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and we have 8 GB of RAM on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Vivo V21 we have 11 GB of RAM. Again we have extended RAM feature on the Vivo V21, which you don't see in this price range before. Let's see phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. Amazon shopping, no refresh. It is a internet refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, no refresh. Instagram, let's see Snapchat, let's see Spotify, let's see Pinout, let's see Subway Surfer, no refresh. RAM measurement is really good on both phones, even on the Realme 8 Pro. Let's see Temper 2, no refresh. Let's see PUBG Mobile, no refresh. Now let's check out the Twitter. Zedge. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, what I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, as you can see that. And guys, and most of the time I would say that the Vivo V21 is perform little more faster as compared to the Realme 8 Pro in game map loading time. Especially I would say that in system based application, and both phones is perform very similar in terms of the RAM management wise. Both phones is performed really good in the RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V21 versus the Realme 8 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.